Hey there. I would like to introduce new, on-budget ODB2 scanner tool for Mercedes-Benz. Launch X431 Elite 2.0 is Pro Bidirectional OBD2 scanner, which specifically designed for Mercedes-Benz vehicles. It is built on Android operating system and has many cool new features. The most notable is free lifetime upgrades for software which can be easily done through Wi-Fi. It offers full system scan, ECU coding, reset functionality and much more. This scanner read and clear codes, view live data stream and freeze frame, read ECU information, and perform special functions and active tests to maintain your car. I used it to scan my C300 Mercedes and found few error codes that need to be remediated. The interface is simple and very intuitive. The unit itself feels like it is a quality build. For all functionalities that it offers, it is very well priced. The link to this scanner is in my video description below. For now it is my go-to ODB2 scanner for my Mercedes. Thanks for watching.